Hi, heard you. Today we're going to draw a beautiful panda inside a watermelon. Let's start the drawing. First, we're going to draw the shape of the watermelon on the top. So it's like slice in half. All right. So this is the outline I'm drawing right now. Okay. And we're going to draw the shape of the panda. So it has a bigger circular shape head, you can see. Okay. And two ears. All right. And two eyes. One nose here. Okay. So after this outline, we are going to draw the body parts and putting the colors later. First, we are going to complete the outlines. Okay. And other half part of the watermelon is here. Okay. All right. And two slices of the melons here, you can see. Okay. And another slice here. Okay. Now we're going to put the variations of colors, and let's put the button here in this place. It's a holder with the main body, main plant, so the fruit gets nutrition through this channel. Okay, so let's put the light color here with the crayon. Okay, and another light color we're going to put here. All right, and another color is here. So that was the part on the top. Now we're going to draw the parts in the bottom. So you can see the racks, it's like a light green and a dark green, like the variations is going to be like that. All right. Okay, now we're going to put the light green color between those surfaces. Mhm. Okay. All right, so this is the variations. Now we're going to enhance the racks and the separation points. Let's see with a pencil. putting a light sketch. Okay. Alright, so the watermelon, it's almost done. You can see here. Now for the slices, we are going to put the dark color to the outside parts and light color in the inside parts. Okay, dark color to the outside and light color to the inside. All right, and the middle of these spaces, we are going to put the red color. And a red color this side, also red color here. Okay, so for the usual slices, we're going to put few drops of the black seeds. Here are the black seeds. Okay, I'm not sure if it's visible. Let's put the marker and put a bigger dots so that it's visible. All right. Now we are going to fill up the colors of the ear. You can see nicely visible, and also filling up the colors for this ear. Okay, let's fill up the eyes. And the nose. Okay, now we're going to put a darker color, but let's use it with the black pencils so that we can show a variations. Okay, all right, of the color pattern. Alright, so this is the drawing. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.